Hello and welcome to a brief overview of my Algebra 2 classroom. My name is Mr. Nelson, and in this overview we're going to be talking through common classroom expectations and procedures that you can expect every day in my class. Some common expectations. My first expectation is that you're here on time, meaning that you're in your desk by the bell ready to work, that you limit distractions, and that you come with a good work ethic every day. Classroom procedures. We'll begin every day with a bell ringer to test your knowledge from the previous day. Then we'll move into what's called flex work time, which is led by you, the student, and then we'll finish each class with a exit ticket. Classroom materials. You'll need a Chromebook, a pencil, and a calculator, and then I'll provide a warm-up every day and the module packets. And I'll also provide the calculator, but you'll have to come up with your own pencil. Grading and types of assignments. They'll include practice work, quizzes, and tests. This makes up 85% of your grade, and then the other 15% of your grade will be the EOC at the end of the semester. Quizzes. There's one per module. They're typically 25 to 50 points, and you can retake the quiz as many times as you would like, and the highest grade would stand. Tests, there's also one per module. They're 100 points, and for the retake, you can only retake a test one time, and you have to retake the entire thing, not just a section of the test itself. And then binder checks are a way to check your practice work and warm-ups. So these are 50 points, and they happen every test, and I grade on organization and completion. My late work policy is that you would lose 10% of the grade each day that it's late. There is a hard deadline where you can't make up work past this hard deadline, and my expectation is that you would ask a classmate what you missed before you would come and ask me. Now with cheating, I would just ask that you don't do this. I want to test your knowledge and your skill set and reinforce and give feedback on what you do in this class. My restroom policy is you get 9 per semester. You need to use the bathroom hall pass, and it has to happen in the last 45 minutes of class. And there's only one student out at a time as well. And finally, cell phones. I typically say if it's an emergency, you may step out in the hall and use your cell phone. Otherwise, I don't want to see it while we're working in class. Thank you for watching.